Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to set reminders on iPhone. So first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go to your app library and over here just simply try to search reminders. Here on the reminders, as you can see, in order for you to set a reminder, select the new reminder at the bottom. And from here, it will let you provide a title about your note. And you could provide the date by selecting the calendar icon. And you should be able to see tomorrow, today, this weekend, or date and time, which from here you should be able to select multiple options or even broader options. And you could provide the time as well over here if you turn it on, specific time, and you could repeat it as well. So pretty much it will be depending on you, and you could just simply select apply. From here, guys, as you can see, we will now have our reminder. And when you hold it, you should be able to mark it as completed, change the priority, move it to the list, and all the other stuff. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.